What's up guys? I'm back and welcome back to Ready, Test, Go. By the way, my name is Nicole and this time we are going to find out which bird are you. So, ready, test, go. So, in this test, there will be 7 questions. For every answer, you will receive points. Keep track of the points and add them up by the end of the questions for you to get your results. Alright, so let's begin. Number 1. In your spare time, you are most likely to do what? Number 2. If you won a lottery, how would you spend the money? Number 3. Choose your vacation destination. Number 4. Choose a color. Number 5. Which word describes you the best? Number 6. Choose an element. And last number, number 7, choose a pet. Alright, so the questions are not really hard, right? So what you have to do right now is add up all your points and let's find out your result. 0 to 60 points. You are dove. Peaceful and loving. You have a gentle personality. You are patient, but you also like to avoid conflicts. You give more than taking. You are emotional and trustworthy. That is why many people are drawn to you. But be careful because there are some people who might take advantage of your kindness. 61 to 130 points. You are owl. You are wise and logical. You think carefully before giving your opinion or deciding on something. You are very curious but cautious. You have a reserved personality. That is why people around you are having a hard time figuring out what you are thinking. You are also self-centered and indecisive. So I suggest you work out on that. 131 to 180 points. You are bold and assertive. You like being independent too, much likely to be stubborn and egoistic, but you make sure your work is well done. You are a task-oriented person. You like taking challenges head-on. You are slightly temperamental and you tend to listen only to what you want to hear, but you are loyal to your friends. Lastly, 181 to 210 points. You are peacock. You are social and you like to show off just like how peacock show off whenever they spread their beautiful train. You are an active communicator so you can keep the conversation rolling. Outgoing, confident, and friendly. That is who you are. Peacocks are warm and entertaining, which can be dramatic under pressure. So you gotta check on that from time to time. You are also a bit selfish and controlling, so tone it down a little because others might be offended. So, which bird are you? If you had fun while watching this video, I hope that you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. You can also tell me what you think about this in the comment section below. Have a great day everyone, stay safe, and see you on my next video. Bye!